everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Nexus Prostate Massager. So let's get started. So this is the Nexus Prostate Massager attachment itself. A really impressive size for an attachment. Now, you can enjoy intense P-spot massages with the Nexus Prostate Massager. This is an attachment which has been designed specifically for the Doxy No. 3 wand vibrator. The attachment is made of a body-safe silicone, so it's very soft and smooth to the touch and feels very comfortable during use. It has nubs just here as well for extra stimulation during use. Simply unscrew the stimulator head from the Doxy wand vibrator and then screw this part onto the Doxy wand vibrator and enjoy wonderful stimulation. It's slightly flexible at the base just here, and as you can see, it has a slightly curved shape to effortlessly find your P-spot. Now, when using this massage attachment, we recommend to use a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use. And of course, make sure to clean the attachment after every use using either toy cleaner and lukewarm water. Alternatively, you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water as well. And that is the Nexus Prostate Massager attachment. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.